Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use this spreader tool to compress the piston on your brake system. If you need to pick up one yourself, there's an Amazon link in the description below. To use this caliper compression tool, it's very simple. We'll just take our old brake pad, slide it in there against the piston, and then we'll take our tool and wedge it in between that brake pad and the lip of your caliper here. Once it's in position, all you've got to do is rotate the tool to the right, and you can see it'll slowly start to compress that piston back in. And there you go, we've got our piston compressed back in and we'll be able to fit it over our new brake pads. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If this helped you out, please consider subscribing to the channel. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next project.